Here we're going to discuss some number sets which are regularly used in discussion of mathematics. The first set that we're going to use is the set Z plus, the counting numbers. Another way of looking at these is that they are the positive integers. So we have the set Z plus, which is the positive integers. The next set is the set N of natural numbers. This is all of the counting numbers, the Z pluses, with the addition of the number 0. So the natural numbers contains all of the positive integers and the number 0. This definition is consistent with the MEI course. However, there are other courses that define the natural numbers to be the same as Z plus, i.e. the positive integers. The next set is the set Z of all integers. This means that it contains the negative whole numbers in addition to 0 and the positive whole numbers. The next number set is the set Q of rational numbers. Rational numbers include fractions. We can see fractions in this outer ring, but of course all of the other numbers are also fractions. If we consider 3, it could be written as 3 over 1, or even 6 over 2. So integers are fractions too. Therefore, the set Q contains all of the integers and all of the other fractions. The final set under discussion here is the set R of real numbers. The real numbers contains all of the positive and negative integers, all of the fractions, plus numbers such as root 2 and pi, which are irrational numbers. The word irrational in this sense means a number which cannot be expressed as a fraction. Irrational cannot be expressed as a ratio, and another word for ratio is of course fraction. We should know something about irrational numbers already. We should know that they are numbers which have infinite decimal expansions and also have no recurrence within that expansion. This is a feature you may have discussed about pi in the past. There is one further number set called the set of complex numbers which fits around the outside, but it's not necessary to discuss this in this course.